Hello, Hernando County, here Lily Evans. We're at Sandpeak Realty again, and today I want to show you a wonderful property that is on the market in Brooksville. It's 24028 Fredrick Drive, and this beautiful home, I want to sell it. I want one of you that is looking for a little piece of paradise to give me a call. It's a Sandpeak listing courtesy to my dear friend Kristy Fennell, and she's gonna let us video tour this home for you today. So let's go and take a look at this beauty. Hi, so here we are at 24028 Fredrick Drive, and look at this great room that you have. This is just a beautiful room with a grand piano. This is over 30 feet high ceilings right here. Look at all those windows, the light features. I want to walk you through this great kitchen as well. So right here you have a look at the detail on all the cabinets, all the appliances, double oven, refrigerator. This is gas burning stove. And look how beautiful it is. The sellers of this property, they maintain this just like a little gem. And here we are in the dining room. As many know, this can be the heart of this house. So for those holiday parties, this is a perfect room just right off your kitchen. And where the love happens in every house, the master bedroom, okay, with its own deck going out, overlooking the pool and the privacy of this beautiful backyard. Very spacious and comfortable guest bedroom in the first floor. And now we're gonna take a look at the amazing second floor of this house, just a couple of steps up. And in the second floor, we're gonna find another 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a gorgeous upper deck overlooking your backyard. Let's check it out. On the second floor, just here outside the beautiful sitting area, you find one of the largest rooms with a full bathroom and a great walk-in closet. The 4th bedroom in this house also is a master suite with its own closet, its own master bathroom. So let's take a look at this big, spacious room. And here we are on the second deck on your second floor, overlooking the pool, the beautiful backyard. The privacy of this house is so beautiful. The only thing that you can hear is just nature and the waterfall of your pool. Here we are in the man cave of this house, but it can also be an office, it can also be a movie room, and it's just out of the area that you go to your 3-car garage, a super spacious room that we're gonna take a look in a moment. But look at these beautiful windows, plantation shutters all around the property. The attention to detail in this home is just gorgeous. And something very unusual of this house is where the garage is located. This very spacious 3-car garage is located in the basement. Okay, and this is my favorite part of this gorgeous home. This is your piece of paradise, the pool area. Take a look at it. And I am so tempted right now to jump in this gorgeous pool. This is an oversized pool. It's around 9 feet deep with a diving board. And on the side of this property, you have a dog fenced backyard area. So for all of you that have your little puppies, they all can run freely over here. Meanwhile, you enjoy this beauty. Thank you so much for watching this video tour of 24028 Fredrick Drive. If you would like more information about this beautiful home or any other property in Hernando County, feel free to contact me at 727-207-8112. Thank you for watching and don't forget to share.